Hello everyone, I'm Belle. Welcome back to my super wood burning tutorials. It's my pleasure to do another one for you today. I've had several requests for instructions on how to wood burn letters, so this tutorial hopes to address some of your questions regarding wood burning letters. I would also like to show how to do borders to frame your image. On your computer, just flip your image manually, dragging the point on one side of your design from left to right. That action quickly inverts your design. I'm using a heat transfer method to make transferring of images onto wood easier and getting those lines for the borders and the letters. So I make sure that I print from a laser printer. Let us do an inversion of this design first and then transfer the inverted design onto the wood. So here now, my design is cut the same size as my wood. I choose this side of my wood to burn on. Place my paper face down and secure the whole thing with some tape. Know the size of the wood you will use. In this case, I have an 8 by 8 inch birch plywood, so I made sure my border design is close to that dimension, but not bigger. Right here in front of me are some accessories of my go-to wood burning tool, the walnut hollow. I call it my old faithful, as this will help me transfer this design to my wood. So let's put these aside for now. Place my paper face down on the wood. I'm ready to transfer the image using this round piece of metal that looks like a coin. This little round bit may look small, but it does a big job in image transfer. It's the walnut hollow transfer tool. Let's put it together. Just screw and do a few circles. That's the technique. Now it's connected to electricity. I've set it to maximum heat, number 10, and wait a few minutes, and then it's ready to use. Okay, here it is. As you can see, the heat makes the design cling to the wood. This is an excellent way to transfer images, especially letters. Make sure that you let the heat stay on every inch of the design so we don't miss a spot. So now I will just complete the transfer. I stay a bit longer in the center where I have quite a view of my images, the letters. This is where my border is. So I stay on these areas a bit longer till I'm sure I've got every line. See how it's coming along? That looks great. Check to see if I missed some parts, and if I did, I just lay my paper back down and redo the areas I missed. It's a little hot. I can feel the heat, but I'm guaranteed a really good transfer. Oh, and I'm almost finished using this. I just turned off my machine and now I'm going to undo the tapes to see how the image transfer worked. Slowly open. Do not undo the whole thing at once. I think I'm good now. So, yes, it's all there. And if there's small areas amiss, just put them in with pencil. I'm starting the wood burning now using my razor tip tool. I will work with one tip today for this whole project, just to see how well this interchangeable skew tip works. Sometimes I do this, stubbornly working with only one tip to see just how far I can take this nib. I carefully work on the borders and other aspects of this design, not rushing through, especially when it comes to the letters. When wood burning letters, take the time to check how you are doing the edges. Do the small letters one at a time. Learn to enjoy the burning, and you will get it done in no time. Alright, there's a part here where I overburned the letter E, right here. And I will show you right now how to fix mistakes using the point of a cutting knife or an X-Acto knife if you have one. See it right here. For the big letters, take the time to pause, to make sure you are catching all the lines and see if the burning is even. Try not to leave white spots inside the letters. The burning tool will do this for you, just guide it. When burning the letters, follow the lines of the design as close as you can. Do not overburn the edges so that the letters will look crisp and clean. I've burned much of the design, as intricate as it may be. Look! The project is almost completed. I have now finished the wood burning, but am not so pleased with the lines. I'm going to clean out the leaves of the border, thin them out a bit with a knife. Just scratch off the brown part very gently. Do not scrape the wood or make any hole in it. Just take out the burn. It's easy. Just be careful. This is a little technique I use whenever I overburn. As long as I'm careful not to scratch the wood, it will be okay. I'm sure the neater, cleaner, and more even lines will result in a better quality work. I was right. Now I'm happy with the results. Just put in more effort and patience, and the work came out perfect. Check out my next video when we will add color to this completed wood-burned project. Okay? This is Belle, hoping that you will give me the thumbs up for this tutorial. Continue to keep watching my videos. Bye for now.